Many of the subscribers to this channel know that we are pixel heavy here on eSIM Studios, and the colors just leaked for the new Pixel 8 series, the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. As we get closer to launch, details start leaking out, right? And we got information on the new cameras they're putting on the back, the new Tensor G3 processor, the 3rd generation Tensor chip. We got details on screen sizes and details on, and now the colors are released. It seems like every week there's something else that's coming out. Now, I had to take notes because the names, if you're not familiar with, you know how some companies, when they put out a red phone, I think Apple will just say red, or, you know, state it the color that it is. And some companies will do like, I don't know, blood orange, or but it's an obvious like red or orange color. Like, why can't you just say red or orange? Google in the past has always had off colors, and they've always had weird names for their colors. So you may have to help me out in the comments as far as what some of these are now. And I have a special, I don't know what you want to call it. I got something special for you. Okay, I have brain fog, whatever. Okay, so check this out. Pixel 8. The Google Pixel 8. Now, the Pixel 8 is going to be 6.1 inch screen. It's going to be full HD 1080p plus. It's going to be flat display. They're going to upgrade the cameras. They're going to upgrade the refresh rate of the screen. So it's going to be 120 hertz refresh rate instead of 90 like on the Pixel 7 series. So the Pixel 8, the colors, the 4 colors. Time out. This is what's bothered me in the past, is that this is one of the few things I haven't liked about Pixel, is that they don't make many bold colors, meaning like they'll always have a black, they'll always have a white, but they'll have like a faded, like on the 3A XL, it was like a purple, but it was like a faded purple. I know they had a really bold blue on the very first Pixel. I had that one. But check these out. I think these are going to be faded colors, but let's see. The Pixel 8 colors is going to be haze, jade, licorice, and peony. Yes, peony. I have no idea what that is. I googled it last night. Apparently it's a flower, but I've never heard that word before. They always have a black, they always have a white. So I'm assuming licorice is going to be black, right? And peony, it's P-E-O-N-Y, P-E-O-N-Y. You can Google that. It's a pink flower. So I'm assuming they're gonna have, now the haze, I have no idea what that's gonna be. I have a little secret, as I mentioned earlier, which a hint, right, which may help us. So the peony is going to be pink, licorice going to be black, jade, and haze. Let's see, well, I'll just tell you what the secret is. I have posted the wallpapers leaked as well. The wallpapers leaked for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. So the haze, if you can see here, and I'll go to our Telegram. I have a link to our Telegram channel. It's where I post news, articles, updates on the channel. Not only here, but I also post videos and articles about breaking tech news. But I posted these wallpapers, and they're in high definition. I made sure. If you want these wallpapers right now, if you want to put them on your Pixel 7 Pro, if you want to have the 8 Pro wallpapers on your 7 Pro, go to the link in the description, and it's a link to our Telegram channel, and you can download the wallpapers right now from Telegram and have them on your device in just a couple seconds. So the Pixel 8 Haze, I'm not sure if you can see that. I have it in portrait mode. It's like a, there we go, Haze. It's like a mint color, the green. Now they have two, because this one is in light theme mode. When the theme is in light on your device, it'll look like that. When you have the dark theme on your phone, the wallpaper will look like that. The same color, just one's lighter, one's darker. So the Pixel 8 Haze looks like a green color. Pixel 8 Jade, I don't even know what this is. And the portrait's messing it up. Just go to our Telegram channel and you can see all the pictures there in HD. Licorice looks like it's going to be black. Puny looks like it's going to be a pinkish color. Now, let's go to the Pro. Let's go to the big boy. Pixel 8 Pro, we have Jade again. We have Licorice again. We have Porcelain. And we have Sky. Now, I don't know why they wouldn't, I mean, I kind of get it. Just say white, black, pink, blue, green, but whatever. So the Pixel 8 Pro colors are Jade, Licorice, Porcelain, and Sky. Now, I'm assuming Sky is the blue. I think what they're doing is they're going to take that blue 7A. It's the light blue, like the color of the sky. It'll look cool. It's gonna be the light blue color in the Pixel 8 Pro. They're gonna have a porcelain color. Now, I'm assuming that's gonna be white, or an off-white, or a china white, or a pearl white color, where it's not like white as a sheet of paper. It's gonna be white with like a little sparkle to it, or like porcelain. What do they make fake teeth out of porcelain? I believe so. Okay, so we got light blue, white, porcelain. Licorice is going to be black, and Jade. So maybe a green color, greenish, mint green. I think maybe something like that. So you'll have a greenish, a black, a white, and a blue. That'll be cool. Now, with the going back to the Pixel 8. You have the Puny, which is pink, Licorice, which is black, and then Jade and Haze. And I don't really see a white in the Pixel 8 series. I mean the smaller Pixel 8. The Pro's got a white. The Pixel 8 got a pink, black, Jade and Haze, green, light green, black, pink, and then I don't know what Jade is. So, or a Haze, excuse me, but. I'll post go to the link in our description, take you to our Telegram channel, and then you can download all those wallpapers and have them on your phone in just a second. Okay, so subscribe to our channel for all Pixel news leading up to the launch. We're getting the Pixel 8 Pro, two of them, and so we'll have those to review. Now,